Hi guys, welcome back. Another video. We're going to go down through town more. Somebody whose hair's pinker than mine, I'm jealous. It's cool. One thing about Benidorm Pride Week as well. Brought lots of people out, colourful clothes, makeup, fashion, just basically being themselves, letting themselves shine, because that is what the whole week has been about. Oh, that was nice. I think I'll just sit under there. Just come past one of the bars and they've got the water sprayers. So yes, guys, as I was saying, it is what it's about. Benidorm Pride. Being you. Being who you want to be, letting your true colours shine. More than anything, just having fun. Because, you know, life's too serious, guys. So let your hair down, kick off your shoes, dance like nobody's watching and bloody well enjoy yourselves. Because at the end of the day, that is what it's all about. We all take life too seriously, guys. You know, sometimes we just have to, as I said, let our hair down, have a laugh, and just enjoy ourselves. Because if we don't, seriously, what's the point of being here? Mr. Pigeon wants a race. We've got, I don't know how you pronounce that, Leula, I think. Alphabet bar here. Then we're at Benidorm. Fancy kebab or burger or something, guys? We also have the Nab Bar. It's a great name. And Rico. Fancy a nice ice cream. We'll try and come out here without wiping anyone out. And as you can see, I so want to do that, guys. There's another one there. I think that one might be coming in. Benidorm Bob, are you up for it? Would you come up with me on that? I know what his answer will be, and I think it probably begins with a P. Got lovely busy bars as well today. Everybody's out enjoying life. We've got the pedalos out as well. And of course the beach. Well, what else? The beach is busy. Now guys, people say Why did you move to Benidorm? Man, so simply to live the best life. Why not? Now Burger King. And Tiki Town. That's the people on the sunbeds today. It's good to see. And we have one of the boat cruises as well. There we go, sorry guys. Scenery like this every day, why would you not want to be here? Got the Manila cafeteria bar restaurant there. And Johnny Hellraiser. We have Fab KU Lounge there. Bit of a party going on. Two mojitos for €11 at the Moon Beach. I think that's a bit pricey, to be honest, guys. So guys, I think we're going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, hit the subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.